Hi, my name is Steve with Andersen Sterilizers. Today we're going to demonstrate how to run a sterilization cycle in the EOGas4 sterilizer using our flexible chamber sterilization liner bag, our dosimeter, biological indicator, humidichip, and EOGas cartridge. For this step, we're going to prep the purge probe and place it into the sterilization liner bag. For demonstration purposes, we've already loaded our liner bag with items that we were going to sterilize. Your first step will be taking your humidichip out of the wrapper and placing it into the humidiclip in the purge probe. Your second step will be loading your process challenge device with your biological indicator. Now you can place the purge probe inside of the liner bag. Take your dosimeter and place it in the least accessible part of the load for the gas to reach. In this case, it's between two items in the load. And finally, you'll take your gas cartridge, remove the tape, and trigger guard. Place those aside. Place the cartridge on top of your items in the sterilization liner bag. At this point, we've loaded our bag with the items we're going to sterilize and all the consumables. We've prepped the purge probe, and now we need to seal the bag around the purge probe. To do that, you simply gather the plastic around the silver bobbin of the purge probe. Take your Velcro strap, wrap it around the bobbin in plastic. And pull it tight. At this point, we've sealed our sterilization liner bag over the purge probe. We'll go to the sterilizer and press start. Pressing start will unlock the sterilizer and run the self-test. Once the self-test is okay, you can open the door. Take your loaded sterilization liner bag and place it in the sterilizer. Take your quick connect and snap it onto the purge probe. And now the display will give us the option to purge the bag. Press the purge button, and the sterilizer will start to purge the liner bag. After the purge process, the sterilizer will then instruct you to activate the cartridge, close the door, and choose a cycle. By activating the cartridge, you just need to find the blue button. Press down on the blue button to activate the cartridge. Close the door and choose a cycle. Once you've chosen the cycle, the sterilizer will then start the countdown for whatever cycle you pressed. Thanks for watching. This concludes the process of loading and starting a sterilization cycle with the EOGas4 sterilizer.